Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will explore Pepe Ascension, PEAP, PEAP, a project that blends meme culture with Ethereum Layer 2 technology, community-driven rewards and tools that simplify token creation. This video is prepared for educational and informational purpose only. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Cryptocurrency projects involve risks. Always do your own research. Pepe Ascension is more than just another meme coin. It's built on Ethereum Layer 2, which means faster transactions and much lower fees compared to Ethereum Mainnet. This make it easier for users to trade, create tokens, and participate in ecosystem without worrying about high gas costs. The project has already crossed 1 million raised in its pre-sale, which shows strong support from early backers. At the same time, it is building tools for features that keep the community directly involved in the project's growth. So here we will discuss the pre-sale detail. Final chance to buy below list price. You can see that just 15 hours 5 minutes have been left, and here you can also check the price of PEAP, and here you can also check the network is Ethereum. So here you can see that you can convert Ethereum BSC ARB, and here you can see that you can pay with Ethereum, and you can also pay by 5%, 10% or 15%. So first of all, you will have to connect your wallet, and here you can see that I have connected my wallet. So if you want to take in the pre-sale, the process is very simple. The PEAP pre-sale is live and contributions have already exceeded 1 million. The pre-sale is designed in stages where the price adjusts slightly at each step. This model rewards early participations while keeping the process fair and transparent for everyone. So, dear viewers, now we will discuss the main features of the PEAP. Here you can check out the top exchange listing confirmed. Pepe Ascension is officially confirmed for launch on major global exchanges, including MaxC Global, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, OKX, plus 15 more Tier 1 and US exchanges. So, here you can also check out the further features of Pepe Ascension. Here you can see Ethereum layer 2 and zero cut and dual reward for the TGE is ready, and here you can also check the Pepe pump pad. Dear viewers, layer 2 integration, faster transaction with much lower cost, and PEAP pad launch pad. Here you can see anyone can create their own meme coin in just a few clicks. No coding, no knowledge required. And the next one is community giveaways, ongoing campaigns including a massive 1 million giveaways, and the media coverage are the main features. The project has been featured on outlets like CoinGate, Business Insider, and Crypto Adventure. Now we will discuss an amazing feature of Pepe Ascension, and it's zero cut. One of the most attractive parts of Pepe Ascension in the PEAP pad launchpad. It is built to be free. Free meaning there are 0% cuts on its DEX decentralized exchange. Whatever you buy or sell, this is entirely yours. This makes the platform community focus, fair and transparent. Zero cut, 0% tax PEAP, and here you can check out the details about the zero cut. Dear viewers, now we will discuss another amazing feature of Pepe Ascension. Its name is Dual Reward. For TGE is ready. Pepe Ascension is not just launching a token. Pepe Ascension is launching a reward system where holders win no matter what the market does. As we count down to the TGE on. Here we will get the details of the dual reward. You can see Pepe Ascension has created a dual reward mechanism to make holding tokens engaging. The system is automated, meaning holders do not need to claim manually. And here you can check out the details about the dual rewards mechanism for TGE. 5% dual rewards, and here you can see that reward distribution logic fully implemented and tested depending on the Ethereum price at the moment of TGE. Our system will be automatically execute one of the two reward rules. First one is if Ethereum is above 5,000 US dollar, 5% Ethereum raised will be distributed to the Pepe Ascension holders based on their snapshot balance. And second option is if Ethereum is below 5,000 US dollar, 10% Pepe Ascension token supply will be unlocked and distributed proportionally to the holders. Here you can also check the details that both distribution paths are fully coded, tested and deployed. The entire process is automatic, no need for manual claims. Here you can also check the snapshot contract completed. A snapshot will automatically capture all Pepe Ascension holdings at October 31, 25. Here, dear viewers, remember the date 31st October. And here you can also check the countdown to launch date 31st October. TGE is not just the beginning. So check the dual reward mechanism is not just a feature, it's our commitment. Regardless of Ethereum price, Pepe Essential holders will be rewarded. So amazing feature of Pepe Ascension dual rewards. And the next feature is PIAP staking. Holders of PIAP can also earn rewards through staking. APY 150% annually, and lock period is 7 days minimum. Early unlock possibly by burning a small percentage of tokens. Dashboard. And the next feature is simple interface, shows all rewards, balance and staking activity. This gives holders more flexibility and transparency when engaging with the project. So PIAP staking is amazing feature. Here you can check that all stakers are sealed for a period of 7 days. It is possible to unlock your tokens in advance by burning a portion of your staked balance, and its dashboard gives you a very user-friendly interface. Here you can check out your staked balance, percentage of pool, estimated rewards and total rewards. Another amazing feature is Pepe Ascension's invite referral program. Pepe Ascension also provides a referral cashback system. By connecting a wallet, users can generate their personal link. When friends join through this link, both sides benefit from the cashback rewards. Take it all. The PIAP tree is overflowing. Grab your 5% bonus before it drowns us all. Here is your invite link. Just copy it and share it with your friends. Dear viewers, if you want to buy PIAP, the process has been simple. First of all, you will have to create a wallet and then you select a token and amount and then you buy and approve the transactions. Here you can also check the Pepe Ascension tokenomics. Project development share is 47.50%, staking and rewards 20%, dual rewards 10%, marketing 10%, liquidity 7.5%, and the team share is 5%. Here you can also check out the total supply that is equal to 8 trillion. And here you can also check the roadmap of the Pepe Ascension. Phase 1 consists of the awakening process, that consists of launch of PIAP token, community building, partnerships, and phase 2 consists of the great eruption, that consists of pre-sale, launch of staking and community engagement. And the phase 3 consists of ascension to layer 2. Pepe unveils layer 2 blockchain, creating a showcase in the crypto world and making the beginning of the golden era. And if you have any question about the Pepe Ascension, you can get detailed answer in the frequently asked questions segment. Still you have any question, don't forget to drop your question in the comment section of the video. And here is the white paper of the Pepe Ascension for those who want technical and detailed information about the tokenomics, staking, and platform mechanism. The official white paper is available. All the links have been given in the description. I would like to recommend all my viewers to read out the white paper. And here is the Telegram community of the Pepe Ascension. Join the Telegram community. These are the fastest way to receive official news, announcements, and real-time discussions with other members. You can directly connect with moderators and ask questions in group. And this is the official Twitter page of Pepe Ascension. I would like to recommend all my viewers to follow the Twitter page of Pepe Ascension. By following the official account, you can get early alerts on new campaigns, pre-sale updates, staking launches, and giveaways. This is where the team shares all important highlights first. Dear viewers, this is Piap Pad. The Piap Pad is designed to let anyone launch a meme token within minutes. With just 2 clicks, users can generate a new token without writing a single line of code. So here you can check out the quest. Here you can check out the details about airdrops. You can also check out the details about blogs. Here you can also check the top tokens bonded, and here you can also check out the new token details. Here you can also check the market cap, and here you can also check the live records. Dear viewers, Pepe Ascensions combines meme culture with Ethereum Layer 2 scaling, dual rewards, staking, and zero-cut launchpad. With over 1 million raised in pre-sale, media coverages, and strong community engagement, it has already secured attention in the crypto world. If you are interested, make sure to check out the official links in the description to explore more about this project. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with others. Thank you for your watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.